Educators use video to create engaging, on-demand content for their students. These videos give students the ability to review lessons, assignments, interviews, and study material at their own pace. Video also offers innovative opportunities for students to demonstrate their learning. Creating quality video may seem intimidating, but it's not. In this hands-on 4-day workshop series, we will walk you through the process of creating a 2 to 3 minute video. Explore the resources and support available to you on campus, including the ADC Media Production Spaces and loanable equipment from the library. Meet friendly experts who want to help you. Plan and script your vision. Record media using various cameras, screen capture tools, audio equipment, and more. Put it all together using standard editing software. Along the way, listen to tales from the trenches as your faculty colleagues share their experiences. Discuss and reflect on how you might incorporate video into your teaching. By the end of the week, you'll have a video similar to this one that you can use in your course. Join us from May 21st to the 24th and let us take you from script to screen. Space is limited, so register now by using the form below.